All right, listen, you should have a YouTube channel. Everyone should have a YouTube channel. At the end of this video, you'll have your own YouTube channel ready to go. If this is your first time here, we're Eugene and Heather, and we've been married for over 16 years. We run multiple businesses together and do our best to share tools and tips for creatives. If you've already signed up for YouTube, you can skip forward using the timestamps in the description. For now, let's start at the very beginning. Head over to youtube.com and click the sign in button. It's in the top right-hand corner. If you have a Gmail or Google account, you'll see your account listed and can use it to sign in. If you don't have a Gmail or Google account, click Create Account. Select for Work or My Business. This option has more features that make it the best choice if you want to have others manage your account or if you want to use a business name instead of your name. Fill in the info on the screen. You'll use your real name because we'll be creating a channel later. They'll ask you to create your business profile, and you can always create a business profile later. So let's skip that for now and hit Not Now. You should be taken back to YouTube. You've officially created a YouTube account and should see your name and icon in the right corner of the screen. Now, let's create your YouTube channel. Click on your profile icon and then click Create a Channel. This is where you get to enter your channel. Now, click Create. I want to be sure you unlock a few features, so let's verify your channel real quick. Click on your profile icon and then click YouTube Studio. Go to Settings, click on Channel, and then Feature Eligibility. You can verify with a phone call or text. I always do text, it's just easier. After you verify your channel, let's go ahead and update your profile photo. Click on your default profile photo and select your channel. Click on your profile photo and you'll be taken to your channel customization page. This is where you can update your profile photo as well as your banner image. You'll also see at the bottom of the page, you can create a video watermark. Be sure that once you update any of these settings, you remember to hit publish. Now, if you've completed these steps in the video, you need to celebrate. You've officially gone through the basic steps needed to set up your YouTube channel. If you have any questions or run into any issues getting set up, feel free to let us know in the comments.